Okay, so we're going to show you an example here of how to add the Call Now button. And this is something you can add to every page of your website. So what we're going to do is basically go to the plugins, and we're going to actually search for the plugin itself. It's called Call Now button. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to activate that button. So we'll walk you through it here. Once activated, now it's going to be on your WordPress site. Okay, and then once after that, you can go ahead and you can fill out some of the details. You may have to connect your email to it to get started. And then once you do that, you can decide where you want to create the Call Now button. So you've got a few options here. And once you're done, you just click Next. And then you can decide on putting the number that you want to use. It should already be, starting to become active at that point. You decide on your position. Some people maybe do it in the corner, right corner, left corner, center. It could be in the top. So whatever you want to do is going to be up to you. Once you figure that out, you can go ahead and finish up those settings there, and then you'll be able to see it on your WordPress site. So it's actually not that hard to do. If you want to go ahead and check other pages just to make sure that it's actually on there, you can do that. So check your other pages, and then when you want to go ahead and change the button to a new position, you can do that as well. But again, it's something simple. You should be able to actually change the color as well. I want to quickly mention that. So if you don't want green, which I think is the default color, you can change it up with something like red or something. So totally up to you. Again, not that hard to do. And just to show you again, it's on all these pages here.